Hello students, today I am going to explain chapter 10 microbes in human welfare part 2 of class 12 biology based on NCERT. But before explanation, I would like to request that kindly like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel so that you may always get an update of new videos. Now in this part we have to discuss about the antibiotics. What are antibiotics? The term antibiotics was coined by Waxman. However, first antibiotic is generally associated with the name of Alexander Fleming. Alexander Fleming discovered the penicillin, and penicillin is derived from the fungus Penicillium notatum. This is commercially extracted by the effort of Chain and Flore, two scientists, and Fleming, Chain and Flore together awarded Nobel Prize in 1945. Actually, antibiotics are the chemical substance that kills the microbes or the microbes which are making a toxic protein that is inhibited by the chemical substances extracted by the some microbes, that is antibiotics. So antibiotics is actually working to inhibit the growth of development of other microbes or other microbes protein. The term antibiotic literally means anti-growth substances. Some of the antibiotics, I'm telling you, basically there are two categories. One is broad spectrum antibiotics and one is narrow spectrum antibiotics. That some antibiotics like penicillin and streptomycin are effective only against a few bacteria and have known as narrow spectrum antibiotics. Others like tetracycline and chloramphenicol act against a large number of species and hence are called broad spectrum antibiotics. So that these basically acting against the microbes, those are causing diseases in the human being, so that antibiotics are very useful for the human welfare. The next one we have to discuss about the chemical enzymes and other bioactive molecules. So many microbes are used in the production of alcohol, organic acids and enzyme. Like lactic acid, whey, the watery part of the milk which separated from the curd during cheese manufacture is widely used for the commercial production of lactic acid. Derivatives of lactic acid such as calcium lactate is used in the deficiency of calcium and anemia respectively. Other one is a citric acid. Citric acid produced from Aspergillus niger. This is one of the important chemical used in food and candies and beverages. Another one is a vinegar. Vinegar is a product obtained from impartial oxidation of alcohol in a fermenting sugar containing fruit juice and molasses. It is used in pickling and preservation of meat and vegetable. The example from where the vinegar is produced, that is Acetobacter aceti. The another one is a chemical enzymes and other bioactive molecules. These are butyric acid. Butyric acid is produced with the help of bacteria Clostridium butylicum. And enzymes, what are enzymes? All enzymes are protein, but all proteins are not enzyme. These enzymes is a biological origin. These are catalyzing the reaction. The some examples of enzymes are proteases. These are obtained from the Mortadella renispora and Aspergillus and Bacillus species. These are used in detergent to remove stains and is also used in softening bread and meat. Proteases basically is responsible for the digestion of protein, and another one is a lipases. Lipases basically digest the fat. These are obtained from the Candida lipolytica. it is used in detergent to remove oily stains. Some of the enzymes like streptokinase. Streptokinase, it is an enzyme obtained from the culture of some hemolytic streptococci. It is used to dissolve clots, especially in heart attack victims. Some of the this is one of the very good for the human welfare because it is working on the heart attack victims. The another bioactive molecules are like cyclosporin A. Cyclosporin A, it is one of the important bioactive molecule produced by fungus Trichoderma polysporum. This has immunosuppressive properties and used in organ transplantation. This is also very good during the transplantation of organ, cyclosporin A, which suppress our immune system. Otherwise, what happened? The organ is rejected by the human body. The organ which is transplant into the human body, that is rejected by the human body because cyclosporin A working on the immune system and suppress our immune system so that it is possible to transplant the organs. The another very important bioactive molecule, that is statin. Statin, this is produced from the yeast Monascus purpureus. They inhibit cholesterol synthesis and is used in lowering blood cholesterol. Those persons are suffering from high blood cholesterol, this is one of the very important bioactive molecule that is derived from the yeast Monascus purpureus that inhibit the cholesterol synthesis in the human body and lowering blood cholesterol. So that these are the very good chemicals and enzymes and bioactive molecules. The another one is Saccharomyces cerevisiae, that is used for the commercial production of ethanol that I had already discussed. So that in this section you have to do some questions like, in which way have microbes played a major role in controlling diseases caused by harmful bacteria? Name any two species of fungus which are used in the production of antibiotics. Find out the name of the microbes from which cyclosporin A and statins are produced. So these are the important questions that you have to done at your home, and this is the part 2 of this topic. And so that thank you to all of you students, you have to go through this part. Thank you.